モンスター、異形、悪魔、何と予防と、これらの妖怪はまさに邪悪で、幾手にあるものを何でも殺し、その残骸を食べます。普通の人々は生き残るチャンスがありません。特に他の人間と簡単に巻き込むときは。しかし、私たちは違います。私たちは普通ではありません。これらの怪物を剣の一振りで倒す方法を正確に知っています。そしてそれを実行します。存在するすべての妖怪を倒すぞ。
Hello everyone, my name is Yuki, the artist and writer for my new manga called Psycho. Thank you to everyone for being so supportive from the last connect to this one. There have been some people liking my art and talking about theories on what they believe the story is about. Well, let's just say you want to make sure you're not by yourself when the yokai show up. Please don't worry, you will get a chance to hunt in action soon. Also, follow me on my socials and be sure to stay up to date with Lumebento by signing up for the newsletter at lumebento.net.